Hello, dear Capricorns. Welcome back to my channel. And this is your mid-month love reading. This will be in English. So if you're looking for Hindi and Urdu, so वो एक separate video upload होगी, right? So let's see how your month is going to be. If you are single, in a relationship, in a situationship, married, divorced, this reading is for you. Okay, if you're looking for a general reading for your career, for general life, then that has already been uploaded on my channel. Please go and check it out. This is exclusively love reading. Let's see what's happening in your life. Capricorn. So please tell me what is happening in your life. Oh, there is a wish fulfillment. So you have got a star card and the justice card. Wow. Alright, Capricorn. In for a surprise in the month of September. Master. One more card, please. The cards are literally popping out, right? It means that sheer injustice has been done to you in the past. I see. I see. Alright, I know you cannot see the spread, but I'm going to show you the cards as and when we move forward. So let's begin. The first two cards that I see are the Star card and the Master card. So clearly it seems to me that you are the master of your own destiny. You are creating your life. You know what to do in your personal life. You have come to realization. Okay, maybe in the past, it seemed like you were not ready for commitment, you were not ready for marriage, you were not ready for any kind of relationship, okay? But you really wanted someone to love and to take care of. I don't know what was happening in your life. It could be that there were third party influences in your life. There was somebody, your friends and your family, who, were trying to keep you stuck in a toxic situation. That means telling you that no, no, no. For example, you like the girl, okay, and they kept telling you no, 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 she's not good enough for you, or I don't think you should settle down. I think you should just keep on looking. I think you should just go and have fun, stuff like that. And maybe family is telling you that no, it should be from a particular religion only, particular caste only. So they were not letting you move forward, in love. So I do feel that now you have taken control of your own destiny. Now you're cutting out those toxic people from your life who are giving you ill advice which is not good for you. Okay, we are living in 21st century. When two people love together, the religion, the caste, the system should not matter. Of course, right? And if toxic people, if toxic friends, if your friends who are unhappy in their marriages, if they are also single, they want you to stay single or they want you to unhappy. So identify such friends in your life. See if that advice that they are giving you is really genuine, or are they trying to take advantage of your, nature, which is to get easily influenced by people around you. So please take care of that, that who is your genuine friend or not. I see that you have come to a realization and now you're taking control of your own destiny. Your wishes are going to get fulfilled. I see that you want commitment, you want that person. I see that there is somebody in your life you really, really want. Okay. I see that whatever you have wished for, happiness and love, that is going to come true because now you have started taking control of your destiny, right? The next two cards that I see are of Justice and the Nine of Stars. I do feel that you could be dealing with a Gemini, or you could be dealing with a Cancer, Sun, Moon, or Rising. I do see that this person has caused you a lot of harm or hurt in the past, or they took advantage of. So somebody that you're dealing with has caused you unhappiness. So the Nostradamus is saying, the cards are saying that you're going to get justice. That means if they took advantage of your, uh, humble nature, and if they kept you away from your loved one for whatever reason, if they kept you down in your life and never let you grow up and have a fulfilling life altogether, you will get justice. They will get their karma. Okay, so that is what is going to happen. I would like to clarify the Nine of Stars. That what is happening with the Nine of Stars here. Please tell me about the Nine of Stars. Yes, I do see that there's somebody in your life who has caused you anxiety and worry and suffering. Okay, it could be that because you were listening to the people around you, you isolated a person, isolated yourself from the people. It could be that you stopped talking to a person or blocked a person or hurt a person in the past whom you really, really like. Why? Because your friends were saying so or your family was saying so. Now Karma will reward, you if you have been good in the past, and karma will punish you or those around you who have been wrong, who have done wrong. So I do see that there is somebody in your life who was like a wish fulfillment for you and you lost them, okay, because of your own behavior, because of the people around you, because you could not take control of your life and could not be with them because you wanted to listen to your friends say. So I do see that now karma will play a role in your life, and that if this person is destined to be with you, they will come back to you. Okay, there will be a reunion. Though I do see right now you're not in contact with them. Okay, I see that you are not speaking to each other. I see that this is the cause of your anxiety and worry, and that's why you're really worried. You're in depression. You're having sleepless night. That what if they've moved on? What if they've got married? What if they don't take me back? I do see that kind of feelings inside you, but I do see wish fulfillment also. So try. If there is a person in your life you haven't spoken to a very long time and you want to go back and get back together and you realize your mistake, you want to apologize, please try to contact them in any way. Is this could be your wish fulfillment. And now that you are taking control of your life, I do see that you will be able to have beautiful companionship in the coming times. Okay, so this was a love reading. This is your suggestion that yes, you have started taking control of your life again. Contact that person, or if you want to step out in a new relationship, start a new relationship. Don't let the noise affect you. Okay, don't let the people around you make decisions on your behalf. You know what you want, you know what is right. Please do what your intuition tells you. Okay, so this was your reading for the month of mid month of September. Love reading exclusively. I'm going to post a Hindi and Urdu one now. So take care and let me know if you resonated with it. Please do like, share and subscribe my channel, and thank you for all the love that you have given me. Bye bye.